What I loved about Miss Tony's training is her authenticity, her clarity, and in the entire scope, all this time, her energy. She was also very particular about certain important details of how to be more professional and how to actually use language, non-verbal and verbal languages. And I think the valuable information that I also gathered was basically how to improve your dressing up, whether if it's a formal event or non-formal event. So in general, I would say I really learned a lot and it's a top A and we're grateful as a team to be part of this entire experience, entire journey. And all I can say, thumbs up to you, Miss Tony Miranda.
I've gained clarity and purpose, not just about sales, but for everyday living. With the training that has happened, it's not all about the grand experience that our clients will be experiencing, but also taking small steps in order to gain small wins and so to also achieve big things in life in a different perspective, in different ways, one way or another, and also to build an empowered image and confidence, and also to lead with resilience and the courage through challenges. Thank you, Miss Tony.
Very realistic. I've learned a lot of things. Actually, I attended a lot of image enhancement, but with this kasi mas lalo ko siyang na-appreciate, not only for the how you dressed yourself or how mo i-enhance yung sarili mo, but in this time kasi hindi lang personality development, but deeper purpose with your client. I've learned a lot of things, especially how you deliver yourself with your clients. Thank you so much, Miss Tony. It's not just because of this training, but realization of life and success.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako and I've learned a lot, especially when it comes to her motivations. At the same time, very enjoyable, never a dull moment. Thank you, Miss Tony.
Marami po ako natutunan about leadership and ma-apply ko sa aking mga tao. And sobrang ganda nung program na to and sana tuloy-tuloy yung mga ganitong programs for the agents and leaders. Thank you and God bless.
Ituro niya lahat yung principles, sobrang helpful lalong-lalo na doon sa mga agents ko na there are mga starting and then syempre doon sa mga matagal na pressure din. So, thank you, Miss Tony. Ang ganda ng training. Thank you.
Whenever I'm low in confidence, I can always go back to this training and remind myself that I am worth it. I know my worth and that I can always go back to what she said, that do not dwell in your past. Just remember who you are and your worth. So that's it. Thank you so much.